All right, so we're out at remodel number 2. You can see we've got our tile line taken off. We didn't strip the depth markers because I forgot to tell them that we're replacing those as well. We've got our water line tile off. Pool lights are all going to be replaced with low voltage LEDs. The lane ropes have been removed. Anchors have been removed. We're going to replace those. I know we've got our hydrostatic relief punched in the floor right here. We've got a couple more around. All these drain covers will be replaced with new Aquastar drain covers. And yeah, but we've got all our waterline tile off. They've got most of the chip out on just the apparatures, like the jets and the lights and stuff done, and around the anchors. But they're gonna get all new waterline tile, including these depth stations. We won't put new no diving on because they don't need that in the wall. But this whole wall is getting retiled, so that sheer descent there in the middle will be replaced, but all this tile here, including on the risers, and then back here, back behind their brand new outdoor kitchen, all this is getting replaced. I think it's over 500 linear feet, over 250 square feet of tile that's getting replaced on this pool. So it's a big tile job. About 1,000 square foot swimming pool replaster, and then about 250, 300 square feet of glass tile being replaced. So this is gonna be a good project. We should get it wrapped up in early January. We're excited about that. So, all right.